Hi there guys, we are approaching towards the end of Bluehost training series. Well, in today's video we are going to talk about how exactly do we create menu bars like what I'm showing you over here. Okay, you can even do some drop down menu over here, so on and so forth. Now very simple, same thing, register for a Bluehost account via the link below this video and you will actually enter into the main dashboard that looks something like this. Okay, depending on when you actually register for the Bluehost. So on and off, they actually do some changes to the interface, but the general feel is there. Okay, the general important links are all there. So most importantly, what you need to do is just to click on this button, log into WordPress. After you click on it, you actually reach the main dashboard of WordPress, which looks something like this. So in order to create that kind of menu, you have to go on the left, under appearance. Then you see menus over here and click on it. Alright, now this is where you actually edit your entire menu that you wish to do. Now over here you can see that there's this add menu items whereby you have pages, posts, custom links, categories, so on and so forth. Now in the previous videos we already talked about how to address the categories and how to actually add posts, including adding SEO optimized images into your posts. Alright, in the next video we'll talk about pages. So once you have actually set up your posts, pages and categories, now this is where you can actually start doing your menu structure. Like for example, in the last video we talked about categories, right? So if you wish to actually add one of the categories, like for example, free training articles as one of your menu item, okay, like over here, free training articles. So I have it here, I also have it under the categories. Alright, because this is where I want to aggressively advertise my website in terms of free articles. So what you can do is actually just to click on this and click on this button to add to menu. Alright, and straight away you will already create a menu over here. Okay, now some of you actually DM me and ask me how exactly can I create this kind of like feel of feel of the entire website. Like for example, is it that if I just put in some menu over here, categories over here, and automatically the website will actually auto-populate? Yeah, my answer is yes, because in one of the earlier videos when it comes to Bluehost series, we talk about themes. Now, theme actually includes all the structure, the look and feel, not just about colors and so forth, but also like for example, how many menu items can you put on top? You know, different themes have different ways of arranging all these different so-called categories, menus, feel, you know, the colors, you know, and how exactly you want the whole website to look like, so on and so forth. So you can play around with all these free themes that's available within WordPress. Alright, so if you want to refer to that video, I think it's one of the earlier Bluehost training videos. Okay, so guys, like what I said, we are approaching towards the end of Bluehost training. Next video, I'll be talking about pages, all the important pages that you need to put into your website, like for example, your terms and conditions, privacy policy, contact us page, so on and so forth. Okay, then after that, that will be the end of the Bluehost training series. And the next series I'll be talking about is how exactly do you set up things like your email automation using autoresponders. Alright, the two main autoresponders that we're touching on is one is Bluehost and one will be one is Aweber and one will be GetResponse. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next recording. Take care.